Hello everyone, welcome to back. So today I'm going to discuss about the cell. I can say that cell is the much simplest topic of the life, and this is the most complex topic of the life. Okay, so first of all, we have a question that what is the cell? So cell is the functional and structural unit of the life. First of all, I'm going to give you some basic information about the cell. Okay, so what is the cell? So first question is what is the cell? Cell is the functional and structural unit of the life. Okay, cell is the functional and structural unit of the life. So after that, we have another question that cell is the two type living organism made by the multicellular cells. Okay, and there are also unicellular cells like some organism is like a cyanobacteria. Now I'm going to discuss the cell. So this is the diagram, but this is not perfect. So this is the cell, and cell have a two membrane. Cell have a two membrane. In the cell also have a nucleus. In the nucleus have a also in the nucleus have a nucleolus. But there's a interesting that in the nucleolus not cell membrane, and in the nucleus have a two membrane cell. Sorry, this is not perfect. So this is the nucleus. This is the nucleus. Okay. You know that what is the nucleus? Nucleus is the director of the cell. Director of the cell is nucleus, and these are two membrane of the cells. Membrane. This is and in the cell have a more than cellular organ like a mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum also there, and first cytoplasm is this. In the cytoplasm 90% have a water and 10% and other thing. 90% water in this. Okay. And mitochondria have also two membrane, and by the mitochondria we get energy like ATP. The full form of ATP, adenine triphosphate. Okay, by this we get energy. Also endoplasmic reticulum have a present at the nucleus outer member of the nucleus. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum like there are ribosome. When on that reticulum have a ribosome, so that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and on that endoplasmic reticulum have not ribosome, so that's called it smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, by the ribosome make a protein. I can say that ribosome is a factor of the protein. Okay, by the ribosome make more than proteins. In the nucleus have a DNA. In the nucleus have a DNA, and by the DNA make RNA. So more the information about the cells is there. So this is the basic information about the cell. If you like this, so please give me one opportunity. Thank you so much.